Yolanda, walk with me because I want to kind of go down this way.
Sure.
It's interesting the way that the winds came through, the high winds came through. There's one, I don't think we're going to go all the way down there. We're just going to get some more of this, but one of the businesses at the other end of the building and this one at this end of the building.
Right.
What can you tell us, kind of an explanation of how you heard the winds and how they were hitting the building when it happened?
Well, when I heard it, like you said, it was about 8:44. All our alerts were going off on our phones, and then what sounded to me like a vehicle was rolling on top of the building, and my coworkers, because we do glass and glass tinting, said we need to open the back door because we're going to have flying glass. He ran to the back door, opened the door so we can get some circulation, and we all hit the floor.
Wow.
Yeah, and it only lasted. It sounded to me maybe about 30 seconds. Our papers were blown around, some stuff was knocked over, but none of the glass was broken because we had the door open. And what was so funny, that film, that's what we do.
Right, that film right there.
That's what it's supposed to do, keep the glass in place. It's an impact protection film, and it keeps the glass in place so for occasions like this where it won't go flying and somebody could be outside and get seriously, injured from that. So we were really, really fortunate today.
How many people were at work today at your
in the office? It's about 10 to 12, and then we have a crew that's out doing window film installations now. So we have a crew of about 15 to 20 guys. So they're out on the roads installing window film, and some of our customers are getting the impact protection film because of that.
Now, have you ever been through anything like this before?
No, this is actually my first tornado. Of course, I've been through hurricanes, but this is my first tornado, and I didn't know. I heard that the sound sounds like a train, but it sounded like a big vehicle. It sounded like it was on top of the building. I mean, the building shook.
How soon after you heard the alert and heard the warnings did this hit?
Well, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 seconds because the lights went out, and like I said, my coworkers were saying, get the back door open, and I could see people running, the lights went out, and like I said, after our alerts and everything started going off, we just all got on the floor.
Scary situation.
Yeah, it was pretty scary. But we were fortunate, no one's hurt. We all came out to check on everybody, so we're very thankful.
Now all smiles because everything's okay. We're going to repair.
Thank you so much for coming out. Appreciate it.
And again, we're on the 3700 block of Greenbrier here in Stafford. We just arrived. Lots of damage, lots of debris, but the interesting thing about what Yolanda was describing, when those high winds, again, we don't want to say, we are getting reports of a tornado that hit the ground in this area, but until the National Weather Service can come out and assess the situation and confirm that it was a tornado, we're going to call it some high winds here because extremely high winds can also produce this kind of damage. And we're talking about glass that flew and cracked off of the building here, and this is insulation actually from inside of the building, and only two, it seems, businesses on each end of the building have this kind of damage, which is